Get ready to be blown away by the incredible world of Harry Potter. You can walk through the sets, costumes, and props used to create the iconic movies of Harry Potter. As you enter the great dining hall, it takes your breath away. Meet and dine with all the new visits. Let the feast begin. The grand staircase. You never know where you'll land. Stroll down the visiting market Diagon Alley with magical shops and secret pathways. Who could stop Hogwarts letters being delivered to Harry? It's raining letters. Some tips for an enjoyable experience. A typical visit takes 3 to 4 hours. If you book the evening slot, you won't miss much. Book in advance to avoid disappointment. Audio guides are available. The food and merchandise areas are huge. The souvenirs are stocked from floor to ceiling. They are just out of this world. The cafe and the gift shops offer fun themed products. As this place can be covered in about 4 hours, the neighborhood areas that could be explored with Harry Potter Studio are Ikebukuro and Shinjuku. Who's your favorite Harry Potter character? Do drop a comment. Thanks for watching.